Now, the next example of the divide and conquer approach, like the matrix, strength matrix, and divide and conquer. So, first we discuss about the matrix multiplication. Suppose if input matrix is provide A equal to A suffix ai comma j, V equal to B matrix equal to Bij, then we can find output C equal to Cij from the product of A matrix and B matrix, where the value of I comma j equal to 1 comma 2 dash 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 n. For example, if value of I comma j equal to 1 to n, then we find the output like that: C11, C12 dash 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 C1 n. In second row, C21, C22 dash 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 C2n. In nth row, the value of product value of Cn1, Cn2 dash 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 Cn. If given the matrix A equal to A11 to A1 n and An1 to An n. Similarly, given the B matrix B11 to B1 n and Bn1 say Bn n, then we can write in mathematical way of the multiplication of these two products equal to Cij equal to k start from 1 to n aik dot bkj. This is the simple matrix multiplication. Now, the standard algorithm of this matrix, I started from 1 to n and j started from 1 to n. So first we store the value of Ci comma j, initialize the value equal to 0. So C11 equal to 0. For k equal to, next we start from for loop for k equal to 1 to n, then we find the value of Cij equal to Cij plus aik dot matrix multiplication of bkj. Suppose that value I equal to 1, j equal to 1, then C11 value k की value depend upon 1 to n, so value of k equal to 1, so C11 plus array of 1 1 b A matrix value of 1 1, B matrix value of B11. So first Cij C11 initialized by equal to 0 and 0 plus value of A11 multiplied value of B11 and trace the value of C1. Now next loop is incremented k by 2. So C11 equal to C11 already solved by जब value of k equal to 1, then we multiply array of matrix A 1 comma 2 dot B matrix 2 comma 1, and while multiplication of this value is added with Cij and find the value of C1. Similarly, k increase, if k is completed then increases by j is complete then increases by I. So the time complexity of this standard algorithm, क्योंकि k is depend upon j is depend upon I, one for loop I for loop, j is depend upon I for loop, k is depend on j for loop. Each for loop are internally dependent upon I. So the value of the time complexity of this standard algorithm equal to theta of n. And divide and conquer algorithm. If matrix multiplication is solved with the help of divide and conquer algorithm, then we solve matrix. Suppose that matrix is equal to n across n matrix. Example equal to 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 by 2 matrix is divided submatrix n by 2 into n by 2 submatrix, means RSTU This is the value of C matrix, and given two matrix A, B, C, D, and second matrix B, E, F, G, H. Then we calculate value of R equal to A, E, and B, G. So value of S is calculated A, F, P, H, T equal to value of T calculated C, E, C, G. Value of U calculated C, F, C, F, D, H. So we can find the C matrix of multiplication of A, B matrix with the help of divide and conquer algorithm. Then according to 2 by 2 matrix, total number of multiplication multiply equal to n by 2 submatrix equal to 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 multiplication is possible if we take the matrix size 2 by 2. And total addition is performed 1, 2, 3, 4. Total addition is performed by submatrix equal to 4. And total cost is equal to multiplication plus add equal to 12. Now, the recurrence equation of this divide and conquer approach of matrix multiplication like that, Tn equal to 8 total number of multiplication, any submatrix equal to 8, Tn by 2 submatrix size, and theta n square work adding submatrices. So time complexity of this matrix equal to theta n cube. We solve this recurrence equation with the help of master method. So we compare this recurrence equation with the help of general equation of master method. So Tn equal to At n by b plus Fn. The value of A equal to 8, value of B equal to 2, value of Fn equal to n square. So we solve n की power log base Pa, n की power log base B, 2, 8 means 2 की power 3. So value of n log base A equal to n cube. The maximum time complexity n cube. So worst case time complexity Tn equal to theta of n cube in the case of divide and conquer. So no better than ordinary algorithm. जो standard algorithm थी उसके compare में अगर देखा जाए it is not better with standard algorithm. Now next, matrix multiplication solved with the help of Stratton's ideas. तो Stratton's matrix solved using 7 recursive multiplication. How? Suppose we multiply 2 cross 2 matrix with only 7 recursive multiplication like that. Value of P1 A dot F minus 1 according to Stratton's matrix. Value of P2 equal to A plus B dot H. Value of P3 equal to C plus D dot E. Value of P4 equal to D dot G minus E. Value of P equal to this, and value P6 equal to B minus D dot G plus H. Value of P7 equal to A minus C dot E plus F. And R value is placed P addition of P5 plus P4 minus P2 plus P6. The value of S is find from P1 plus P2. Value T obtained from P3, P4. Value U obtained from P5, P1 plus P1 minus P3 minus P6. So we can here find total number of multiplication. Total number of multiplication equal to 7, and total number of addition and subtraction. Total number of addition and subtraction means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. 18 addition and subtraction. So no reliance on commutative of multiplication. And R equal to P5, P4, R value find A plus D, E plus H, according to this. So Stensen's algorithm divide partition A and B into n cross n by 2 submatrix from term multiplied using plus and minus. Concur perform 7 multiplication n by 2 submatrix recursively. We explain in the above example. And combine from C using plus and minus n by 2 submatrix. Then recurrence of the Stensen's algorithm like that Tn equal to 70 n by 2 plus theta n square. Theta n square मतलब number of A matrix multiplied by B matrix, the total number of element equal to n square. Then solve the value of this recurrence equation, the value of time complexity theta n equal to n की power log base 27 यानी n की power 2.81. The number 2.81 may not seem much smaller than 3, but because the difference is in exponent, the impact of running time is significant. In fact, Stensen's algorithm beats the ordinary algorithm today machines for n greater than equal to 32 or so. But the best to date, the theoretical interest only theta n की power 2.376. Now next example of the divide and conquer approach, like quick Hull algorithm. In the quick Hull algorithm solved by convex Hull problem, we find the smallest convex set that include given points. So we assume the points are sorted by x coordinate value. Then we identify extreme point P1 and P2, leftmost and rightmost. Compute upper Hull recursively. Find point P maximum, that is the farthest away from line P1, P2. Compute the upper Hull of the point to the left of the line P1 max, P max. Compute the upper Hull of the points to the left of line P max P2. Compute lower Hull in the similar manner, like that. This is the convex Hull example. If several number of points given, the line P1, P2, we solve convex Hull upper part recursively, like that. Assume points are sorted by x coordinate values. Identify extreme point P1 and P2 leftmost and rightmost. Identify P1 leftmost and rightmost identify किया, and that line is meet कर दिया. P1 P2 के point को आपस में मिला दिया. Now compute upper Hull recursively. तो कैसे करेंगे? After the combining the P1 P2, we compute the upper Hull recursively. Find point P max, that is the farthest away from the line P1 P2. P1 P2 से जो farthest है वो upper line find कर लिया, P max find कर लिया. Compute the upper Hull of the points to the left of line P1 max. Compute the upper Hull of point to the left of line P1 P max. Compute the upper half point P1 P max. Compute point P max, that is farthest away from P1 P2. Compute the upper Hull of the point to the left of line P1 and P max. Similarly, compute the upper hull of the point to the left of P1 Pmax and compute the upper hull of a point left of Pmax P2. Pmax P2. Compute upper hull point left of line Pmax P2 and compute a lower hull in the similar manner. Compute the lower hull in the similar manner. Then finding point of farthest away from line P1, P2 can be done in the linear time. So the time efficiency, worst case, theta n square, and average case is theta n under reasonable assumption about the distribution of point in theta. If points are not initially sorted by x coordinate value, this can be accomplished in order of n log n time. This is the example of quick hull algorithm, and efficiency of quick algorithm like that. In worst case theta n square as a quick shot, average case like theta n under the reasonable assumption about the distribution of point given, and point are not initially sorted by x coordinate value. This can be accomplished in order of n log n. So we summarize the today lecture like that. First we will discuss simple standard matrix multiplication. And simple standard matrix multiplication, if two matrices are given A and B, then we multiply A into B and find the C matrix. So the matrix multiplication we can denote it in a mathematical equation like that: Cij equal to k equal to 1 to n aik dot bkj. The standard algorithm pseudocode like that: I equal to 1 to n for j equal to 1 to n, to initialize value of Cij equal to 0, k started from 1 to n. Then we find the C matrix value equal to Cij plus Kik dot b. I show the column, j represent the row, and k is represent the matrix. Sorry, Cij 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5. Next k is enhanced, then find the value of next row. So the cost of this matrix equal to theta of n cube. This standard matrix is solved with the help of divide and conquer algorithm. Suppose n cross n matrix is given 2 cross 2 matrix. Then matrix first be divided n by 2, n by 2 form submatrix. Any n by 2 submatrix, n by 2 submatrix, n by 2 submatrix, n by 2 matrix. This matrix is the solution of C matrix of product of A and B. So matrix value A equal to A, B, C, D, and B matrix equal to E, F, G, H. After the production, we find the value of R, S, T, U, and we calculate the total number of operation, addition, multiplication, and subtraction. We find total number of 8 multiplication and 4 addition performed in finding the value of C if given matrix 2 cross 2. Then we can write recurrence equation of this divide and conquer approach matrix multiplication. Tn equal to 8. 8 means sum matrix multiplication, n by 2 size, number of adding submatrix. We can solve this submatrix and find the time complexity of theta n cube. And next, Stances matrix define the using the Stances matrix, we reduce the time complexity with in comparison of the standard algorithm. In Stances matrix, we use this formula P1, P2, P3, solve this value of P1, P2, P3 by this, and then calculate value of RSTU. After the calculation of value of RSTU, then we find total number of 7 multiplication and 18 addition and subtraction is possible. So recurrence equation of this Stensel's algorithm equal to 70 n by 2 plus theta n square. After solving this recurrence equation, we find the time complexity equal to n to the power 2.81. Is the small equivalent of theta n cube, n to the power cube, but is smaller with respect of standard algorithm. So, in fact, Stensel's algorithm beats the ordinary algorithm on today's machines for n if size of n equal to greater than equal to 32. अगर किसी भी इनपुट का साइज n की वैल्यू ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 32 है, then Stensel's matrix is better performed with respect to standard algorithm. And next we discussed quick hull algorithm. In quick hull algorithm solve convex hull. We suppose in this problem the several number of points are sorted by x coordinate. Then we identify P1, P2, leftmost and rightmost point and compute the upper hull recursively. Find point P max farthest away from the line P1, P2 and compute the upper hull point, the left half line P1 max and lower half similar that. And efficiency of quick hull algorithm like that as a quick shot like that theta n square and average case if under the reasonable assumption about the distribution point given the time complexity equal to theta. If points are not initially sorted by x coordinate value, this can be accomplished in order of n log n time. Thank you. In next lecture we discuss about greedy approach.